What's up everyone and welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Now behind me we are so excited because this Lotus Emira with our full exhaust package, it's got headers, a free flow race configuration, comes down to the Y split section, then it runs all the way back to our titanium 3-inch catback. These cars, we know how good they can sound. Cut to a clip right now of the Evora we did a full exhaust on right now. Sounds absolutely insane, and we're gonna make sure the Emira sounds as good or maybe even better. This system integrates with the OEM modes when you purchase the production version. It really is the ultimate experience. As well, we are using the factory exhaust tips, but you can put on our set of titanium exhaust tips that come in the package when you purchase this exhaust for your Emira. As you can tell, I'm super excited. I've wanted to know what this car could sound like since the moment it was released. We thought it could sound as good or better than our Evora setup. I guess we're gonna have to find out in this video. Of course, as normal, startup, flybys, hard acceleration, we're gonna do revs, interior shot, we're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper so you guys know exactly how good your Lotus Emira is gonna sound with the ultimate exhaust configuration. I can't wait, let's get to it. All right guys, we're inside the Emira. The full exhaust is installed and you can hear already how insane this thing sounds. But of course, it goes back to being like it's bone stock. Remember guys, this is using our exhaust valve controller that comes with the kit. Of course, you can operate the exhaust through the sport and track modes. We're just using it on the remote so we can show you guys very clearly how the system operates and works. When we get out here, I'm gonna accelerate in the quiet mode and then we're gonna switch to open. It's nuts. Ready guys? Listen to this sound change. All right, we've just increased the value of all Emiras if they can sound this good.
might be the best sounding car that we've ever done on the channel.
Dude, this is sick!
It's literally an F1 car.
Yeah, it's so exotic. All the other companies out there, keep up. Guys, on the video here, we drive everything, SVJs, GT3s, anything you can imagine. And this thing is now real special because of this exhaust configuration. We know there are other exhausts out there, but this is unlike anything else. It's just nuts. And now like we're in town, it's like it's bone stock in here. You'd never know this car's modified. Put the windows up, back in tour. You can whisper and it's so quiet. Oh, this is nasty. I'm stoked. Get like good intake noise with the valves closed too. Now, let's say you put an intake on the car and you get a lot more intake noise. With the valves closed, you just get a lot of intake noise, which is really, really fun.
Well, the overrun?
The overrun's nuts.